Every year, thousands of Nigerians make life-changing immigration decisions based on incomplete information, online rumors, and visa scams. And many people only discover the truth after costly mistakes have already been made. That is why Immigration Clinic Nigeria exists, a public education and advocacy platform, founded and convened by Dr. Prince Joel. Our mission is to simplify complex immigration policies into clear, practical guidance to expose visa fraud and protect Nigerians and Africans from misinformation and exploitation, to educate students, professionals, families, and travelers on safe, legal, and informed migration pathways. Because accurate information can save people from financial loss, rejection, and immigration scams. Every week, new podcast episodes are released on Spotify and YouTube podcasts, sharing immigration updates, visa guidance, policy changes, travel opportunities, and real-world immigration education Nigerians and Africans can trust. Follow us, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode. For consultations, inquiries, or immigration support, call, SMS, or WhatsApp 0802 055 0410 or 0703 252 0085. And follow Immigration Clinic Nigeria on Facebook. Immigration Clinic Nigeria, deconstructing immigration challenges.
Alright, I don't like it about this particular evening for that particular program when you name na Immigration Clinic on radio. My people, my name never changed. I keep yesterday. Kachinwa Ogogo KNO. Now be my name. I don't sit down get about with no other person but that man where them call Dr. Prince Joel. Baba, na immigration consultant. Him now be the convener of Immigration Clinic on radio. My people, I don't like it about with the one and only Dr. Prince Joel. Doc, Hakuna Matata.
Kachi, good to be here again. I greet everybody when you listen to us. Greetings to Imolites and to Nigerians and lovers of this program, Immigration Clinic. This is Dr. Prince Joel live on station.
All right, down from the horse's mouth. I've got to call him from the horse's mouth. I've been on my mouth to one con hear him. You never see me. All right, Doc, you don't like it, ba?
Yes.
Make we move sharply. Time, no day to check time.
Absolutely. I'm here to bring good news to as many persons who love this program and who are listening to this program. So if you have applied for, if you have applied for visa before and you're denied, there's hope for you. Yes, there's hope for you if you have applied before. If you've been rejected before, I'm saying don't give up, which is the news I have brought for you. Don't give up. If you have tried to migrate, tried to relocate, make you no give up. Don't give up. Europe is still welcoming Nigerians. The main thing there is you have to be Europe is selective. So you must either have a skill. Because I speak too much English, Abi?
I don't already talk before.
Oh, I speak too much English.
I don't give
okay, make I come back home. So I'm saying, if you don't apply visa before and they reject you, make you not give a hope day. Or they don't chop your money before. Agent don't chop your money before. They don't dagbo you before. I'm here to say that make you no give up. Or you don't apply and they reject you because they don't believe that you go come back, or you don't get sufficient funds or account, or one of those things. I am here to tell you, make you no give up. Make you no give up. Europe. Sorry, may I finish on? Europe is still welcoming Nigerians and Africans. They see they welcome us, but they're selective, and because they're selective, you go try get skill. Europe no want liability. They want people who get something we go offer them. So the windows still they open, And that is what I have come to tell us. Today's topic, actually, I send you the topic. I tell you the topic.
All right. I want to make a clear explanation. Now, let me go talk the topic. The topic now, why you must explore every opportunity where they, as a concern to enter Europe, make you no give up because say you don't fail in the past. Now, be our topic today. Doc, I get them.
You get them. You get them.
You know, say before you be the space separate. In Europe, now,
I mean, this is a BBC.
They do them like this.
I mean, this is a BBC.
I say you don't come back home. All right, my people, we could go on for the part one of this particular program today.
Yes.
We want to explore, we want to make you know the opportunities them where you there for you to enter Europe and why you not supposed to give up. Sake of say you don't try since, but you never walk. All right, Doc. Make we get them on for the first one. Make we see the reality as it day to day. As you don't talk, say make we no give up. Make nothing they happen. Say even if you don't try before, they don't double you, they don't damaru you. You no succeed or they don't reject you based on one or two. Say make the person no give up because according by you, he get reason. Now make we go. Waiting be the reality today as it day 2026.
The reality for this 2026 is that Europe is facing a great labor shortage. I don't talk on before. A great labor shortage because of aging population. The populations then they do it in
age.
Then they age, then they old because of old people within the day now. Now the young people where they on ground, those ones no they interested in all these ones what would they talk skill. Those ones government they take care of them. They get
so
they not get time for all those things. You know that is why the opportunity there and this opportunity is now reality. You understand what I'm talking about? Reality. Now, if you come to Central Europe, in Central Europe, work brekete. Both skilled and unskilled. And the funny thing, what they even say unskilled, in the recent, is there any work that is really unskilled?
You know, that's in the shock me.
Is there any work that is really unskilled?
For every work where you did, skilled there inside.
Skilled there inside. You must let that. Now, the only difference between this unskilled thing be say, then go train you for the work.
Okay.
You don't need university degree. You don't need big asambodo. You don't need university here. You just need to either learn the work or you don't learn them already. That is why it did that category. Why the other one requires a lot of certification, a lot of education and all of that. And they need, yes.
Okay. So which country then were there for this Central Europe where is mentioned say work brekete?
Now for Central Europe, you can find countries where they're there. Countries like Poland, Czech Republic, Hungary, Slovakia. You know, in those areas you go find work like factories. You go see logistic work. You go see construction. You go see caregiver. You know, low cost of living is also very accommodating in this Central Europe. Then if you carry and go countries like within the Western Europe, okay, countries like Germany, Ireland, UK, Netherlands, Denmark, Austria, you know, those ones, they pay very high. Central Europe, they pay low because even there's also what they call the low cost of living for that place. You understand?
Okay, that's for the Central Europe now.
For Central Europe. But why Western Europe, they pay high. You get my point? They pay high for Western Europe. And if you now go a place like Eastern Europe, like Romania, Bulgaria, there's a lot of job vacancy in Bulgaria. There's Bulgaria, there is Baltic states and all of that. Now, if you look at the states, the jobs then there are also available. Now, if I want to categorize them in different jobs, if you go to a place like Central Europe, you will see jobs in the factory industry, logistics and all that. If you come to a place like Eastern Europe, the jobs are already very popular now, IT, construction, trucking, hospitality and all that. Then if you go to a place like Western Europe, the kind of work the way you can see there now works the way they pay very high. Also the IT, engineering, software,
robotic.
Yes, nursing and the rest of that.
Okay.
You know.
All right. How the door day as a concern these places now? West to Central and Eastern Europe. How the door there as it there now?
The door is open for anybody and everybody where get skill. It's open to everybody. You know what I'm saying? The door they open. Everybody where they can exploit. But the important thing is what you get for, and what you feel learn. What can you offer to the country? What you feel offer? You get my point now. What if you offer? In Bulgaria, there is an advert. There is a vacancy. We come and they are looking for shoemakers. They're looking for shoemakers. We're supposed to do shit. They go interview you. Today, she'll say you go do video. She'll say you get the skill. You know, so people will fall in those category. Job is available for them, and it's a very perfect way to do it to relocate or migrate to Europe.
Okay, make we go on. Make we not forget say what did they listen to? Now that the program where the sound go for your ear. Because the name na Immigration Clinic on radio, I know so many people wait there for Nigeria. Then they seek it from Japanism. And now they carry you go hospital, make you for dissect, make you for understand. Say no be joke will carry come here. All right, doc. I don't carry and come again for a trouble. Many people, the listeners, they be like this now. All right, doc.
Yes.
As it be for 2026 like this now, which profession them gone, where Europe they look for?
The profession where Europe they look for plenty, but we go try itemize the very hot ones, the very, very hot one. And I go start with the skill one. Now, when we talk about skill, one way Europe they look for, number one, are healthcare. Nurses, midwives, you know, elderly care people, you understand, physiotherapists. Again, those ones are highly skilled work where they look for. They on the demand. The second one are trades. Okay, when they say okay, akoro, you know, trades. Yes, you find things like welders, electricians, plumbers. You have things like carpenters, masons. You know, all these things, they are in demand jobs. Okay, now you look at things like tech and engineering. You know, when you talk of tech and engineering, you talk of software developers, you talk of civil and mechanical engineers, you talk of electrical engineers, data analysis, cyber security, you know, and all these things, they are in high demand. You find them, for example, in Ireland, Netherlands, and the Czech Republic. The other one are logistics and transport, trucking drivers, forklifter operators, warehouse. This is where you go find them more in Poland and in Germany and in UK. Then there's also the hospitality, which we also call seasonal jobs. That one you go find them for hotel, you go find them for agriculture, food processing. You go see them for Portugal, you go see them for Spain, you go see them for Romania. You know, a lot of them are government schemes. Do you understand? Of course, other in-demand jobs, you see things like lab scientists, you know, construction workers and all of that. So all those things, you can take advantage of it. You fit develop your skill on it. So if you have skill on this list, then you have a route, you have a pathway where go fit take you land for this place.
All right, I shall say, don't open your ear. They listen to the clinic, with the carry them come small. As with the carry and they come, with the dissect them, they enter. All right, now still immigration clinic on Echo FM 100.7 over. If you dela na Echo, if you try come down, oh, my brother, no be Echo again. But over there, the Echo ram make you they hear them because the Echo now waiting they come after the ordinary sound pass. All right, Doc, I don't come to your table again, Gidiba. Waiting it go take to succeed. For instance, non-negotiables. I want move now, Shabi. I want go now. Waiting go be the we boom and the call I'm saying on that time I've been go school. Sorry, I've been there for school road. My father no send me school. But he send me to the best school because now make I did this thing. Not as I want you, I live for school road. The call I'm saying on that is the things where we say if I do them or if I get them.
You're settled.
I'm settled.
Good. Look, we look at them. I go mention three major things where they're non-negotiable. Three, especially for skilled, what they call skilled worker. Number one is skill proof. You must get proof. Say you get skill. You don't understand? I can drive truck. Do you get a license and certification where go give you that? You get my point now? So you need that skill proof, which is certification plus experience, plus portfolio.
Okay.
It can be either city guy, it can be ND, it can be HND, it can be BSc. Okay, you also need things like work photos. You be mechanic. You need all those documentaries.
If you be mechanic where they listen to this program and you the dream of traveling outside, if you need a snap picture where they do the work, they show make you know say doc don't give you one big.
Show where you did dismantle vehicle, where you did couple vehicle. Now what they want to see?
It's called Expo 001. That's why it is here.
The second one, most of them under skill, which is non-negotiable, na language. For example, if you want to go Germany right now, you need A1 B2 German language test. You get the point now. You need IELTS in some country. Okay, so blockhead no go face some of these things. So if you really want to, then you get to open the head, settle down, read.
But
people don't want to go that part too, and they always get problem. They want to make agents fix everything, and they end up they submit a fake document. So language is very, very important. They expect you to write some of these migration programs. You go write exam. You need to show say you sabi speak English.
Before you enter English.
There, yes, you must appreciate the usage of English. And I made they make you write those exams.
Like
some of
IELTS.
IELTS. They go even give you a particular score where you must do, 6.0, 7.0. They get like that. In Germany, B1 German for Germany. In Australia, they will expect things like trade certificate. In some of the Eastern Europe, they expect things like A2. Do you know that even to go to some of these countries to check your English, to assess you on English, if you get WAEC and you get the lowest score for WAEC now C5. If you get WAEC, especially some countries in Canada, some schools in Canada, if C5, you know if you do any program there, they go say make you go do 1 year English course because you get C5. Because you get C5. You don't understand? But if you get A1, how did you get them again? A1, B1, B2. A1, B1, B2. You don't go do any of those things to tell you how powerful English is. People they write why they say I don't care.
They go pay.
It go shock you 10 years after, 20 years after, 5 years. When you want to do something, you gonna actually say English. You pass some more, but your pass now weak pass. You will be first to Nigeria here now. They call them what do they call them those days for school now? Where you have to go through remedial program. Now because you don't get your qualification no strong now.
You want enter university, your qualification they say okay.
You want read law, you don't get strong this you go because you do preliminary program and all that. That's the way they happen for yonder there.
Okay.
That's the way they happen. So you see, say anyone you do very well. As I talk now, some people need to take our matter serious. But I bet you, sometimes you go call, you go they look for this recording, make it take remember some of this is the one I talk.
That's so it be. I've been telling you so the name na clinic. If you say if you're sick, you go clinic, make them for cure you. No go always rush come to buy your own drug. Now why you go rush come to Echo FM 100.7 every Friday evening? Immediately you don't knock it 5 p.m. But make you for cure the sickness. It is called Japanism sickness.
So I don't mention two, Abi. So the third one now documents. You cannot play with documents. Everything rises and falls. In fact, visa application rises and falls on documentation. So documents are a very key thing. One of the documents where you must and you cannot negotiate na Nigerian Police Force police clearance certificates.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
You know fit. The other one other qualifications and recognition. Tab the different types. To show say you get that skill and you get that qualification. Now, make I say this one very important. No agent can do this for you, these documents. No agent. Now, something you must get and you must be ready to prove them. If any agent actually make you pay money, make them give you all these certificates, okay, make you just waka come out because now highest fraud now in the exhibit. So,
because Doc, say me again.
I say these documents are non-negotiable when it comes to tendering all these qualification documents.
Yes.
Any agent will call you, say make you bring money, bring 500,000, make him provide these particular documents then for you. Me I they talk say make you walk away because that's in a fraud. In they prepare you for a ban for embassy.
So my people, if you know there for clinic, no blame me. Doc, make you move am time no day.
Exactly.
You drop them as it's supposed to be. Now, should in case say you want to do, make you no do. Why? Say I no supposed give up. Since I don't try first one, they don't chop me. Try second one, I don't go, they don't reject me. Why I no supposed give up?
One reason we make you not supposed to give up because your past failure is not. I feel like talking like a pastor.
No, but you go ahead.
I should go ahead.
I'm
feeling the anointing. Make I go ahead.
Go ahead, right on, pastor.
If you didn't hear me, make you hear well. I want to talk. Let me just use 5 minutes and talk like a pastor. One of the reasons we make you not feel give up. They say number 1, your past failure cannot be your future. Many of you where they don't scam because what you go follow shortcuts. You followed shortcuts.
Now they
scam you. I am saying don't give up. The legal part is stronger. The legal pathway is very strong. It's stronger. If it take you 9 months, if it take you 8 months, 12 months, but be careful. But it is safe that you land with a correct documentation, correct health insurance, and you have a safe future than say you go the other way around and you mess yourself up. Okay, so having said that, Central and Eastern Europe, they welcome people right now.
Okay.
Entry point, it's open for many Nigerians. The salaries are encouraging. It might be lower than Germany and all that, but being lower no matter. The important thing is you did there, is it better past your country? Are you getting my point now? So we must take note of this.
Okay.
You must not give up. Whatever way, whichever way. My brother, do you know, say recently I was discussing with somebody, the guy there abroad, he said, please, beg every Nigerian, make them do everything possible to pursue the future of their family and the future of their children. Bros, go catch me. The guy say, that's why I feel like preaching like a pastor. The guy say, I'm in Canada here, and every day they thank my stars. They thank, say, I take this step when I take them. Say the way when they see things, they go for Nigeria. Children might not have a good future. And catch it between me and you. No matter what you go take us, make we give our children the best future we will give them. If we have to sell property to give them the best education, every child must not go abroad. You get what they do locally and all that. Most of those ones now, their papa already don't level for them. Don't teach for government. Don't large. So they can afford to school for Nigeria, because if they even go abroad, money where they don't chop, where they don't spoil them, go even make them miss road. They'll go to drink kibo, they do prostitution. But poor man picky, when the way they come from, where in papa manage, gather money, send and go abroad, the picking go always they focus and know where they go. So what am I saying today? Parents who are listening to me, let's do our best. If Pikin don't finish first degree, try send that Pikin, make him go do masters abroad. If Pikin gets skill, make you try. Push out for one of these countries, make him go learn skill, develop his skill, and bring glory to the family. I don't know if I'm talking to somebody this afternoon. Afternoon I've been an evening. This evening. I hope I'm talking to somebody this evening.
The Spirit of God is
he's hitting me. He's hitting me seriously. He's hitting me. We must take that decision. It might be expensive, but it's worth it at the end. All this way, they don't scam me. I don't do that. No problem. The truth of the matter be say, if you sit down one place, it is called stagnation.
And there failure starts.
You will call stagnation. You need to move. People where they back seat need to move to front seat so that poverty no go catch them. Whichever way you look at it, people where they front seat need to climb up. Are you getting it? So if you dey back seat, wait, make friend with people where better pass you so you won't go better. There is need to move. Where you want to move, I don't know. But I'm just saying, move from back seat to front seat. You can move from Lagos. You can move from Owerri to Lagos. Now movement. You can move from Lagos, Owerri to Abuja. You can move to Ghana. You can move to Europe. The important thing be say you dey move. No stagnation.
You know, the thing don't move from clinic now. You don't enter,
the
church.
spirit is here.
You don't enter church now. You know, say when I tell you an equation now, the balance here, no be joke at the joke. All right, you know, as it be, Ken owner still my name Kachinwa, and I still down here with the one and only doctor where we say for inside in hospital. If the thing no gree work by man idea, he go bring God idea. Now the spirit of God upon him. Doc, let us went on. I told you I need to go school.
Move.
Let us went on.
Move.
All right. For Central Europe now, and real Europe. What be people want respect there? Now be the first question I will answer today because I don't enter the question segment.
Okay.
In Central Stroke, Eastern Europe / rural Europe. Me, then go respect me there.
Yeah, the issue of discrimination, yes.
I no go come dey enter the gbege of what do they call them now? Racism or all those small that gbege.
Most of these countries are members of the European Union. Do you understand? So the same law, they guide them. Yes, you will be respected. There's respect for human dignity. There's respect for color. There's respect for language and all of that. The law guides that and it protects you.
Okay, but what's the rent there? How they like?
Rent.
Yes.
Now, to give the figures, for example, if you go to Poland, Czech, and Hungary, Romania, you will find it's almost same laws. The salary is lower, like I said, they are lower than Germany. Do you understand? But for rent it's between 300 to 800 euros. Between 300 to 800, or call it, in most of these you will get rent 300. But you see, if you're coming through employment, 90% of employment come with accommodation. The law makes it that way. You must provide accommodation for the worker.
Okay. Me now where I be, but I don't get degree. Poland or Czech, if you take me.
Yes, Poland, of course, gets large and huge factories. Do you understand? They get a lot of construction companies. So, and they need workers in these areas, welders, electrician. So you may need to take any of those trade certificate courses. You can. It will help you.
Okay.
Even without it, you can still make it. It will help you.
Okay. All right. What about person who be truck driver? I say Germany, they need them now as a bill.
Of course, very true. Very true. Germany, Poland, UK, all of them need what they call HGV drivers. So all you need to do is to attend the class, as in you need class C or CE license. You know the license, they get license for all those things. You can't be saying that they drive truck. You don't get any of those license. Germany go need B1 German for Germany. You know, but Poland is easier than most of these other countries.
Okay.
Yes.
Me and a teacher, I feel go place like this Western Europe you've been talking before.
Yes. As a teacher, yes, you go feel go. You go feel go UK, you go feel go Ireland, you go feel go Germany, you go feel go Czech Republic. You know, they all need maths teachers, physics, ICTC. You know, all you need is your beard. You must have a beard education if you can't get masters again, a perfect one. Your English or your first degree must be minimum of between A1 B2. You must have a good English background.
Okay.
Yes. And the good thing, they say most of these things they get government portals where you feel apply.
Okay. I've been trying UK before and they refuse me. Make I try Romania as it be now.
If you believe in yourself, yes, make you try, but make you fix the reason where they take refuse you for UK. Because if you don't fix the reason where they take refusal for UK, it will affect you for the next place where you go. The thing will follow you for body. So fix the refusal first. Then, if now proof of fund, make you address them, because the threshold for Romania it's lower than that of UK. That's the minimum, the money they need for your account is lower. But you need to address those issues before you move to the next one. Don't abandon it.
All right, now still immigration clinic on radio. And with the drop as it's supposed to be. Well, many other questions there, Doc. But we could go take one or two advert from our better sponsor, where you did direct to your own hand. If we come back, we'll continue the question them. No touch the dialogue. No forget, still immigration clinic on Echo FM 100.7 over. With me, catching KNO, alongside Dr. Prince Joel. With the comeback, no come out at all.
Echo FM 100.7 fresh
Immigration
people.
clinic waiting for radio. Ego jam Dr. Prince Joel Esquire. You get any question? We make you want travel go abroad. Okay, now we get the answer. Make you open your radio for immigration clinic waiting for radio with Dr. Prince Joel Esquire. They will give you practical guide for how you will take your visa, take come out for Nigeria, take go anywhere to live anywhere for abroad. What we do be say we go make sure say your visa. We go make sure say they don't deny them again. We go get the right documents that we supposed to bring to make sure say you get better application. Even if you no get skill, we go give you job for there. We go give you proof of the money where you don't pay and other things and things where you suppose need to make sure say you enter for there. We'll give you expert advice for your visa and how you go take relocate. If you want to go school abroad, we get them. So if you want to get visa services, we get them. If you want to get business conference, we get them. Plenty other entertainment things we did there. The date now every Friday. The time now 5 o'clock for evening, go to 6 o'clock for evening. The station we go listen to Echo 100.7 FM for Owerri for my side Imo State. If you get any question now, make you call us or send text message to 0802 055 0410. Make you know me this opportunity because as I tell you so, the next step we go get now we get Disclaimer for Immigration Clinic on Radio. This information where they share for Immigration Clinic on Radio now for only general educational and information purposes only. Make we tell you the things we will not follow. Number one, no be legal advice. Not to wait and talk on that program where concern legal advice or immigration advice or say they will guarantee visa or job approval. Immigration law and policies they change different from different country and different person depending on your circumstance. Number two, make you verify before you begin act. Everybody they listen, make you verify all the information with the official embassy, consulate or immigration authority for the country where they apply to and make sure say you register with Oponko professionals where it's supposed to be. Number three, no liability. The host, that's the talk person for the radio and the station, concern them at all for the decision where you make based on this thing where they listen for the radio. Every individual getting own personal document, own personal eligibility and the decision where you make according to immigration officers. So not to concern the station and the host at all. Number four, scam warning. Make you open your eye for anything where they promise you, more especially when it comes to visa, say they guaranteed or they get to make you travel, the dates exchange, the content is make you pay money, make you take careful because all these things, plenty people now scam them. So make you verify with the agency well. In case you need specific advice, consult Dr. Prince Joel Esquire, will be your Ponko immigration consultant. Book appointment to speak with them one-on-one for any issue where you want, or visit them from your office. Wait for Owerri. Travel Legal International Limited, 2nd floor, 16 Mbari Street, Ikenebu, Lagos. They look for work for Obodoibo. TLI Recruiter Limited. Then don't they hire unskilled personnel for jobs for inside Poland, Portugal, Romania, Serbia, Bulgaria, Ukraine, and Macedonia. All you need when you supposed to go qualify now first school living certificate with the offer attractive salary and accommodation available for successful candidate to apply. You could just pay 10,000 naira where they no go give you back and send your CV to TLI Recruiting Limited, 2nd floor, 16 Mbari Street, Ikenebu, Owerri, Imo State, or make you send them for WhatsApp for this number 0872 0702 512 0086 0702 512 0086. TLI Recruiting Limited. Now your pathway to work for inside Europe. Make you call now. Limited slots they available.
Echo FM 100.7, the fresh news people.
My person, I don't use all them man because I supposed to put Igbo 2 na Igbo State today and Igbo man with also the work with here. Alright, my people, we sit under Gidiba for that particular Ubunga program for radio where they teach you what you supposed to know as a concern your ability to japa and ability to move out of this particular part of the world. Alright, my name is Nakachimogo, you never change supposed to be, and I sit under Gidiba with no other person but Dr. Prince Joel.
Yes.
Alright, Doc, make move am sharply. Now, make I ask this question. Which countries them for Europe where you personally, particularly your company them they fee gateway make person for move now?
Fantastic. I like this question. Now, first and foremost, you need to understand, say, me, I be immigration consultant, okay, and I go school, I get certificates. Too many certificates, but we're not here to
talk about
certificate, yes. And so the countries that where would you focus? So we talk about Europe now. Would they focus on most of the Central Eastern Europe? I will mention some of them. Now, these countries in Europe, I also mention what would they do and what will fit do for you in these countries. All these countries, we offer what they call legal employment pathway. Now, law now is provided by the law. Okay, is provided by the law of each of these European countries. Say there's something they call legal employment pathway.
Okay.
Just like you have study pathway and other immigration pathway. Are you getting the point now? The countries in plenty within Europe, and I'll just quickly mention some of them. You think of countries like Poland, Portugal, Slovakia. You can talk to me about these countries. You can talk to me about Montenegro, Belarus. You can talk to me about Croatia. Me say you want to migrate in these countries, then I have everything that it takes to assist you. Now, Hungary, Romania, I've talked about Poland, Lithuania, Ukraine. You go shock you say Ukraine. Now people they go Ukraine because Ukraine then they build their country. And they get very attractive salary. Spain, Germany, Albania. I was in Albania 2 years ago, and I do like that country. Every time I see the name, Czech Republic, North Macedonia, okay, Bulgaria. Bulgaria, there's a vacancy in Bulgaria for shoemaking. Serbia, another easy country. Within 2 months, you don't enter there. Estonia, Armenia now another country with the island. In fact, you hide inside Europe. Okay, now all this country are countries where they render consultations for. Just like that jingle say, everything we talk for this program not be legal advice. You need to engage with me one-on-one. I look at one-on-one. If you go realize, say, waiting at the talk here, I say, walk day here, you didn't carry your bag, they trek, they go on your own. You do on your own. So you need to engage. Come for consultation, and consultations are 2 ways. You can do physical consultation and online. I do more of online consultation because of how busy when I did. Are you understanding me now? Because I did very busy, I do that. Now I did mention Canada and US for people who really want to migrate. For each of these countries, there is a law that has been established on how you can genuinely migrate to those countries. No be pay and buy. Brother, you understanding me? Not be pay and buy. Now, so if you understand, every country there is a set down rules and law we say for you to migrate as a skilled labor. Provide this. Pay government money. Then your consultant will help you put it in together. You pay your own money too. Because he must eat from his profession and from his services.
Yes.
You understand my point? Not be selling, no. So once you get the qualifications, you get the documentation, you get everything, it is easy to flow. Now, how do we do it? And how do we operate? I want to quickly explain it. So one of the things we do for people who want to migrate is that, number one, we help them through our partners over there with employer invitation letter. Means that the company over there will do what? Will send you an invitation letter to come and work with them. Okay. Once you don't go through the process, pay all the necessary fees, I'm telling you one of the things that you're going to get. Services where you go get, things where you go get as a proof of the services. I just mentioned it now, official invitation from the verified employer or partner. Are you understanding me? Number two, government work permit. They have what they call national type work permit issued by the destination country's authority. You get authority where they provide or where they process all those things. That's number two thing where we go offer to you. Number three, now employment contract. Once you don't go through the process, and you meet the process, you will get a signed contract between the employer and the applicant and the candidate. Kachi, you understand this thing? Yes. So I just mentioned. You go. All these things are employment basis. So there must be an employer with the front arm. Tourists, you don't need any employer for that side. Tourists now go embassy, put your document, do boom, go, you go holiday. Or maybe your friend invite you to come do holiday. Now holiday, you end there. But this is legal employment pathway. So I just talked about signed contract between the employer and the candidate. Number four, employee confirmation. So the candidate verification and status confirmation document. Am I communicating?
Yes.
Yes, you need to confirm the document, so the employee need to confirm these documents. Then the other one is housing confirmation. Proof of registered accommodation address during the stay. You must show where you're going to stay. All these are the documents that will get to you by the time you are ready to commence the process. Now how the process works, I may not be able to go into that. That's another long teaching. When you come for engagement, when you come for consultation, I will be able to, break it down. Each country gets their offering and their offers.
Okay.
Yes.
So, as you don't mention already, make we enter there. You talk, say, all these things, you get other areas, them, where is Tiboko, where you never touch. Make we get them go straight. Seminar.
Yes.
Good day tomorrow.
Yes, now because because of all of these things, people are hungry for information. But one thing when I know once now on serious people, just like I said, not be everybody go abroad, not be everybody go relocate, but there's need to move. So you can move from Owerri to Lagos and get a better life if Owerri need to give you what you want. If you're inside village, you can move to Owerri township.
To get to
am I communicating? You can move to here, so everybody cannot move to overseas. But I talk to people who genuinely want move. Okay, and they can fund themselves. There's nothing like, you know, when they talk sponsorship, people where they China, they look for sponsorship. People where they India, they look for sponsorship. People where they Africa, Cameroon, this. So how many persons want sponsor? How many people want sponsor? You hear people say sponsor. No, that sponsorship thing where you would make somebody pay 100% for you, it is 1 in a million. And the truth of the matter is, say middlemen don't hijack that thing. You don't understand me?
Yes.
Middlemen
don't
hijack and consultants. They've created their business out of it. So they would rather go to the company and tell the company, I will supply you 100 construction workers. I'll come to Africa, supply 100 construction workers. They will now come to Dr. Prince Joel, being their partner. Don't be doing that. Now you did Nigeria, now you did West Africa. Can you help us recruit 100 workers for construction jobs? Okay. Then I'll now come really begin to teach people so that people who are genuinely interested can come in. Am I communicating?
Sure.
So if I'm communicating, I'm saying that I'm organizing a seminar tomorrow, 10 a.m., where I go take time, break this matter. I don't need your money. Just come, but be sure say you this serious. Don't come waste your time and my own time. I only want to impact on people where they serious. We won't send their children abroad. We won't go themselves. We won't send their brothers. Are you getting me? And you must be financially able. I wish I saw a remote when I go fit take check person where they financially able for the entrance. So that we will reduce the number. You know, is there any machine like that? We will just check your bank statement. You will just see your closing balance.
You go China.
You go see your closing balance. No, this one they financially able. Financially able. Don't waste our time. Come in. Those are the kind of people I'm looking for. Now, because there's so much fraud, I also, for my company, don't introduce legal service. No, not be legal services. I don't introduce situation where we say if you come, you doubt. You come with your lawyer.
Okay, so you
come with your lawyer. Now that one they suit me part.
Yes.
Come with your, because the documents, a lot of people don't read and understand this document. You come with your lawyer. We'll explain everything to you. Finish. We enter agreement. We sign agreements. By the way, everybody knows my background na law. So me, I need to play with anything of that nature. So we put them for writing. If the whole process go cost you, most of the fees themselves are paid to government. That's statutory fees and processing fees. Do you understand? Okay. So that you also know what in the record will be refund. You don't go pay for documentation fee. You're going to ask for refund for documentation.
You go know the one where we say you need refund.
Yeah, you don't go pay statutory fee, pay to government and all of that, and you ask no. And the level of the process and the procedure and the assurances and the guarantees, you need to understand that in black and white.
Yes.
You understand? In black and white, recently they arrested somebody who collect 18 million from somebody over visa matter. In fact, if you go news, you go see many. A lot of them are young starters. They are being carried away. They are relying on a third party to deliver. They don't get information. So at the point of marketing, they go promise everything, heaven and earth. It's just like person where they sell land. You never see the land. They tell you say the land get third road for the middle. Say
you never
gold. You never see the land though. Now marketer, but you already sell the land. Say the land get gold. Gold. You go walk up, say like saying a street of heaven, and the man where they abroad go pay. When you not come Nigeria, now you gonna see say gold, no day for the land. You go begin to harass you. Now the similar thing. A lot of people when they enter this business, they don't understand the business because they are not trained. Can't you understand? They're not trained now. They all understand. Collect the thing, carry go give person, and when they get boss, they begin to drag you and all of that. Every one of us we start this travel business. You know, they careful. You go don't make one mistake or the other. And that is why we must understand. Say the laws then they change, brother. I can tell you, say Canada, if you open one policy right now, in 1 month time they will just change the policy. Meanwhile, people then they key into the policy.
What they do last moment.
Exactly. It can be very, very annoying, and that is why for those of us who are privileged to be consultant, educated, well-traveled, You get the point now? Would they take time to break things to people so that they understand before they even start? And when they start, they have a positive mindset towards it. You get the point ahead. You're not buying visa. It's not visa racketeering. Like I keep saying, visa racketeering is a very big criminal offense, and I don't want to be associated to it.
You've made it clear.
It's a big criminal offense. Any agent when they do visa racketeering, his end is very clear.
You don't
they close to prison, very close to prison.
You don't already talk on before. Alright, my people, doc, the sound boom, boom, boom. You see, before, he be the talk like a doctor, come move, enter pastor now, he don't go back to what we would call legal destiny. But remember, say, him not only consultant, he need to give you legal advice on air.
I need to give legal advice. So
Alright.
Yes, you want legal advice, book a session, book appointment, virtual or physical. You pay the cost. Yeah.
Alright.
You want me to talk the cost? No, to have a session with me is 25,000 naira for 1 hour.
All right.
Yeah, 1 hour.
All right.
25,000 naira. I give you everything, all the offering in each of the country. I even help you choose country where goes favor you based on your skill, based on where you come from, based on your suffering, based on your exposure, based on your enjoyment.
We just 25K.
We just 25K.
So we go.
I guide you.
So what you tell me? I say you go better make I use my head instead of make I go shortcut to go pay somebody 5.
Now you're saying it. Now some people would prefer to pay 5 million for visa than to pay 25K to get
just
the best
get
advice.
The best my people, I tell you, I say from doctorship we have entered pastorhood. From pastorhood now we enter legalishood. All right, I still Dr. Prince Joel. If no be echo, you know, say I don't know why you go hear him again for this part of the world. All right, Doc, as it be, I want make you want know more about that event.
The seminar, yeah, the seminar,
where, venue, and
yeah,
time.
the seminar they hold tomorrow. The time now 10 a.m. and the venue now 16 Mbari, second floor, 16 Mbari Streets, Ikenebu. If they come from prisons. As I the top prison, I really remember agents that will go enter prison very soon.
So that they don't catch them.
So if you come from prison for Kigbe Road, you just enter that road, that Mbari Road, Mbari Street. You go see UBA Bank by the right. You see the street. After that, you see number 16, a 2-story building, second floor. Just climb upstairs, second floor. You see Dr. Prince Joel's office there.
Number 16, Mbari Street.
Yes. If they come from Maris, okay, he did the same side where which is this fast food name. I cannot go promote them. There's a fast food by the left.
You pay me now. I know that
there's a fast food by the left. After it, the next one and the third one, the 2-story building, you'll find me there. Just come. I'll be expecting to see you on Saturday, being tomorrow, 10 a.m. I'll do 2 hours. We're good and done. Okay, good and done.
Which time we go begin?
We'll begin 10 on the dot, and we will finish 12 on the dot.
So from 10 to 12 tomorrow, Saturday, when it be the third day now, if I not talk a mistake, fourth day of the month of July 2029.
Yes.
For number 16 Mbari Street, we're there for Ikenebu. Dr. Prince Wee go there one-on-one. This one will be radio talk again. Now one-on-one.
I'll be doing presentation on everything where you need to know how these things they work. And remember, say my focus is what I call legal employment pathway. Legal employment pathway.
That is say you enter the country,
yes.
You enter with Buga.
That is it. You have to enter legally. And that is why the name of our company is called Travel Legal International, because we take you through the legal pathway.
All right, Doc, you don't really want to go open the phone line. No, be only me, you go talk finish.
Before we go to phone line, if you don't mind, I quickly leave the number. If you want to attend the seminar, I don't get much seat in our office. I just need only serious people, just 20 serious people. If you want to be part of those 20 people, please send me a text message to 080-2055-0410. Send a message, say, reserve a seat for me with your name. Like I said, I don't get too much space. I only need 20 serious people who have strong desire and financially ready to relocate this 2026. Send a text message to 080-2055-0410, and you can send it via WhatsApp. It's still okay. Just send via WhatsApp. And if you also want to join my WhatsApp community where they share updates and all of that, still send WhatsApp message, text me and say, just add me to the WhatsApp community so that you go and learn, because I believe in learning, I believe in relearning, and I believe in on-relearning.
All right. So tomorrow you don't hear them. If you want go, I better call the number again where they go send the message.
The number now 080 20 55 0410. Just send a text message, a WhatsApp message saying reserve a seat with my name. You can start with WhatsApp if you get WhatsApp, and do text message if you get text message.
All right, you don't hear them straight from the horse's mouth. All right.
Take note, I'm not a horse. Take note,
Doc,
I'm not a horse.
Doc, you see, now why I counted them. So now I can say when I dey go school, the teacher talk say now horse's mouth. Now you see person don't call they tell me say no be horse. My own kuzi, I you go come answer.
I have to go back and learn well.
All right, so bad then. All right, my people, now time to open the phone line. I know say one or two of when I get one or two things to ask. I beg if you call, just take 1 minute, ask your question straight. Anything where you know they clear for you, make it for ask. If you want talk, I beg no take other people own time. Numbers to call never change. I see the number where be yesterday 0911 20,022, 0911 20,022 or 0707 454 1014. That one is 0707 454 1014. Should in case you want to drop us a message for WhatsApp, the number now 0707 491 3438. That one now 0707 491 3438. Immigration Clinic with Dr. Prince Joel. Now we're there. All right, so make we start with this one way there for WhatsApp. This one talk say, don't you know that? And say, Doctor, good evening. I beg, if you help person where one Japan enter Japan, and the person na teaching job where him get.
All right, the person will need to come for eligibility tests. For now, I don't get any direct vacancy or any direct employment opportunity. You know, the Japan not there among the country when I mentioned. But that opportunity exists in Japan. It does exist. So what the person needs is to come one-on-one. We go reach out to Japan, get the requirements where they need, okay? Get the requirement where they need. Check whether in get that requirement. In the qualified, I will take them off from there.
All right. You hear I'm straight. Oh, another one talk say, I be electrician. And I go like to know what thing it go take, how much it go take, total. To enter country like Poland. You go fit tell them that one?
Well, at times I try to be very careful not to mention Naira and Kobo figures for radio. But yes, it is very possible to enter Poland. In fact, Poland are one of the hottest countries to enter. You know, in fact,
the electrician.
In the electrician, absolutely. Now, one of the hottest countries to enter. So yes, if you enter Poland, the cost, I go ask and make him reach me to get invoice and get quotation for Poland.
All right.
Poland get two different types of employment programs. There's one where they call 12 months, and there's another one they call 9 months. One is vidvodeship, and the other one is seasonal program. Okay. So either of it, you can fit in. Seasonal, you say you go enter there, work for seasonal period, you come out. You know, understand? Although you can also convert to irregular.
All right. Okay, Doc, as we do wait, as we do go, make I ask you this question. Make we look at the recommendation and immigration clinic Nigeria.
Yes.
What be the recommendation them where people suppose get, and what you recommend for people who want to do this Japanism?
Well, anybody who want Japa should first and foremost start by gathering information. Do you understand? Start by gathering information, understand what that is required. It will help the person in proceeding. Okay. Work with a certified consultant, not deal with side agents, okay? Except now agents, the way really know what thing they do, and we understand the rules and the laws where they govern each of these country, okay? So if you understand that, it helps you very, very well. So, for example, people where get skill, and they say, may them go Poland. Okay, from Poland, you can start with the seasonal work and convert to skilled skilled worker. If you have trade certificates and all of that, you can go to Czech Republic, you get 2 years experience. You can move from there, move to Germany. Opportunities, Yakba. If you get BSc English, you can go to Germany, Ireland, Netherlands direct. Bottom line, don't give up on your past failures. Pick the right lane.
All right, Doc.
Don't give up
on your past
failures. Pick the right lane.
Because na wrong lane make you no go before.
Yes, na wrong one.
Hello, Doc. Canada na the best country for mother of 2 kids when one japa. And which work they are available for the person for that kind of country?
Now, first and foremost, the requirement. Canada is the best anytime, any day. If you find yourself to Calgary is a wonderful place. Bro, you get my point? So, whether na number one, the question be say, you qualify, you get all that it takes. I know if you give advice, any other advice for this matter, but I know say na very correct place because me too don't do things for that place. So you understand?
All right.
But first and foremost, now to do what they call assessment, eligibility.
You dey qualify.
As you even they talk, say, can you write your name?
You dey qualify.
You dey qualified?
All right.
I'm not telling you I don't carry somebody go embassy where no sabi writing name.
That one shocked me.
Okay.
Okay. Make we go on. Doc, I beg. I get skill for lifting and warehouse management.
Which of the lifting?
Which country? Okay, make better with lifting or but for waiting talk warehouse now maybe na the
forklifting, yes.
So which country you get now and waiting be the guarantee? Say you go help me go and income as a finally waiting be the range of money where I go get.
So to get those correct information because we need to sell these things them. You go come, we go do an assessment, engage you, not the one we work for you. I don't think they give you price here. Now they say I never know what you get. I even need to they sure say you did physically fit, so even do the weight lift. Is it weight lifting?
Yes.
The lift the hair. But in terms of cost, why not come? We'll give you and we'll explain to you and give you an invoice that covers that.
All right, my people, if you check your time now, you gonna know our time we done the corona. Make I give Doc 1 minute to make it for summarize today on program finally. Doc.
Yes. Today, what we learn today? What we learn today be say. Make you explore the opportunities way day for Europe. Make you no give up on your past
failure.
Your past failures. Past failure don't go. Chart a new course. Move. If you're a move, you are stagnant. And when you're stagnant, you they invite poverty. And when poverty come your life, it affect your children, your children, your children. So that line it becomes a poor background. That is why you still strong. We know what's up. Need to move. Is that the talk? You need to do it. Stand up and move.
All right. You don't hear them?
Yes.
Doc, I thank you very much. So I say anytime we will come here, you know, say we do and gong bong bom.
That is it.
And we don't dig and gong bong bom, and we don't drop on our CB. We thank you very much as you come to.
Thank you.
You have been listening to Immigration Clinic Nigeria, founded and convened by Dr. Prince Joel, a trusted platform dedicated to immigration education, public awareness, and lawful migration guidance. Remember, informed migration is safer migration. Every week, we release new podcast episodes on Spotify and YouTube podcasts, covering immigration updates, visa policies, fraud awareness, legal migration pathways, and practical guidance to help Nigerians and Africans make informed decisions. Follow us, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated whenever a new episode drops. For consultations, seminars, or professional immigration guidance, call, SMS, or WhatsApp 0802 055 0410 or 0703 252 0085 and follow Immigration Clinic Nigeria on Facebook. Immigration Clinic Nigeria, educating, protecting, and empowering Nigerians and Africans through accurate immigration knowledge.